Hello everyone, in this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will create a sheet metal screw conveyor, and this conveyor is widely used in the extrusion process industry. So let us start. File, new, part, OK. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I select the background plain white. Unit system is the millimeter gram second. Okay, I select the plane sketch. First I will create a pipe in the sheet metal. This one, circle. This dia I am taking 50 mm. And I am taking a center line, this one, and create two lines here. One line, mirror this line, mirror about, please ensure copy should be checked. This one and this one. Angle. The sketch should be open. I am giving the gap 0.25 degree. Okay. This is the 0.25 degree. Sketch should be open. In sheet metal, in order to create any base flange, the sketch should be open. This one, now I go in the sheet metal. Firstly, this one and this, select this one, construction, trim entity, sketch, trim entity, power trim, or trim to closest. Select this one, trim to closest, click this, open. Now the sketch is open. Sketch is fully defined. In the sheet metal, go to the base flange, this one. I am taking the sheet thickness 1.50. Okay, but you are seeing this thickness is moving out, but I am taking the reverse direction here. Radius I am taking 1.50, inside band radius, and 1.50 is the sheet thickness, and metal is inside. Okay, and this I am taking 720 mm length. Length of the pipe I am taking this one. This is extrusion towards my side, but I am reversing the away from my side. This one. This is a pipe of 1.5 thickness, inside radius 1.50, and this one. This is a pipe. Edge is not smooth. For this, go in option, document property, image quality, extend this up to this red portion, and this one. This is the now edge is smart. Rebuild it. Now edges are sharp. Okay. Now this is a pipe. Now I select this face, sketch, this one, smart dimension. I am taking 50 mm. Same dia, outer dia, 50 mm. This one. Now I will create a helix. Sketch. I will this one out, future, go in the curve and split line. Sorry, helix and spiral. Helix and spiral. Pitch. This is pitch and revolution. Helix spiral. I am taking the option pitch and revolution. Constant pitch is I am taking 120. Revolution 1. Start angle I am taking 180 degree. Start angle 180 degree, clockwise direction. But I am taking the direction reverse direction. This one, this side. From here you can reverse the direction. This one. I am taking this one. This is the helix. Now this is actually I will create the blades on the pipe. First I will make a sweep cut, with the help of swept base, boss base. I will make the blade, one blade, and then I will convert this solid into the sheet metal. So how I will do it, I will show you. First, create a plane, picture, plane, delete this one. This one. Second reference, from take it. This is the point of the helix. Click it. This is the plane. This is perpendicular to the helix, and make solid. This one. This is a plane. This is a plane perpendicular to the helix. Select this plane, sketch. I will create a sketch on this one. I take the corner rectangle. This one toward this side. This dimension I am taking 35 mm, and this dimension I am taking 2 mm only. This is it. Now future swift boss base. This one. Sketch is selected. Path is this one. This is the path. So one blade I have created. This is one blade. Select this, hide it. Plane is hide. This part, this swept base, boss base is still solid. I will convert into sheet metal. How I will convert it, I will show you. First, with the help of first helix and spiral, hide it. This one, hide it. And in the sketch, I will create through 3D sketch. With the help of 3D sketch, I will create sheet metal. This part, convert into sheet metal. This one, 3D sketch. Select outer edges and convert entities. One sketch is converted. Okay. Now sketch this. Sketch. (3D) sketch. This one and convert entity. Now there are the two 3D sketch. For in the this hide it. This part is hide it. This one. Now I have the two open sketches. With the help of in the sheet metal lofted bands, I will create part blade in the sheet metal. Convert to this one. Lofted bond. Select the formed manufacturing method, bent and formed. I will select the formed. First select it. This one. This one. This one. In this way connected. Sheet thickness is I am taking 2 mm. Blade thickness is you can reverse the direction. This is moving. I am reversing the direction in this way. This is one blade here. Now this part is in sheet metal, lofted bond. Now what I will do is I will make linear pattern of this in the future. Linear pattern, direction I can take this one. I have given the pitch of 120. So I am taking this 120 and number of pattern 6 and bodies is this one, this one. The 6 numbers blades I have created. In this way I have created this one. Color, you can apply the material for this from here also. This one from material here, sheet metal. I am select the color here, appearance, this one, and this. In this way, firstly I have created this pipe in the sheet metal, and then I have made a blade for this through a swift boss base command and convert into the sheet metal. In this way, this is screw conveyor which is widely used in the extrusion process industry, and this is attached with the hopper, and the material is fed and the material moves forward for the required purpose. And suppose this. Suppose I select this one in the sheet metal, flatten this one. You can make DXF file for this one. Right click, export to DXF. Part 1, 2, save it. Okay, I give another name, 1415. This one. Left hand side, this window pops up. Sheet metal, select required whatever parameter you require, hidden edges, bend lines, etc. Whatever you want to select. This no forming tool, bounding boss. In this way you can see. So this is saved in the DXF format, where you can give for the AutoCAD purpose for the different CNC cutting machine, and the required job can be done in this way. Now you can also make the pipe also. Suppose you select this one, flatten. This is the sheet. This is a sheet metal pipe in the sheet metal. You can also save it in a DXF format for cutting purpose, and these required things can be welded, and the required screw conveyor can be made with the help of the after joining the various parts. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.